Liz Owens here for the last session about life lessons from cicadas, and our word today is legacy. I hope you've enjoyed these. I hope you found something valuable from them. In a sense, it's my legacy to put it out there and share it with you. We've been through the life cycle of the cicada, and here's something I want to point out. That once the female cicada has laid the eggs, that's it. They don't stay around to care for them. That's why the cicada fall to the ground and burrow into the tree roots. But that's it. Daddy and Mama cicada are not going to interact with the babies they've produced. They probably will never see them, never be around them. And obviously, they're not going to interact with them as adults because that'll be 17 years down the road. And that's not the way they're designed to move forward. They have the babies. They do what they have to make the babies. And then they have to trust in nature, trust in God to move it forward. This is the classic sowing seeds. You invest yourself in other people. You love them, you care for them, and you hope you sow seeds that will continue to germinate in your children and grandchildren and great children and generations down the road. Even if you're not a physical or biological parent, you often hope that your energy and time and investment and love will reap benefits, will be a legacy of the future. School teachers, we love that kind of thing, thinking about that we invest ourselves in our students, and our legacy is the lives they lead. And we always hope that some of our students become teachers also, that they'll replace us maybe someday. I think it's the same. We always want people to follow in our footsteps if we're passionate and love our careers and our families and the things we want. We always want the best for the future. But we may not be here to see it. What are you investing in today? If there's any lesson from all these that we've learned from the cicada, are you preparing? Are you pausing? Are you investing yourself, your total energy, your existence in what you're called to do? And as a caregiver or care receiver, are you building a legacy for the future? Are you building a legacy of love? Because someday we won't be here. And maybe the person that you're caregiving won't either. And that's where love comes in. Think about your legacy. Think about your time, your calendar. Consider the effort and engagement you are exerting every day in your relationships. I hope you gain some understanding about yourself and how you're existing, and some life lesson tips as we've gone through this series. I'm going to put this shirt away, get it out in 17 years. We'll see if I can get these videos out in 17 years. My prayer for you: be blessed in all you do. Do it with love. Give care and receive care in loving ways. Godspeed.